Welcome to another video. So today we are going to talk about breaker blocks. I've had a lot of questions about breaker blocks, so I'm going to make a video today so you guys get to understand breaker blocks. So first off, I'm going to explain what breaker block is. So a breaker block is like a special hiding spot where price plays around, but then it changes direction suddenly. So there's this particular spot price is playing around and then just changes direction. So I'm going to break it down so you understand. So let's say price goes up, then price drops fast. Later price comes back to that area where it dropped from. But instead of going up again, price keeps falling. That area where it changed its mind is called the breaker block. And most traders use this area as a clue to say, okay, they are just going to wait. When price comes back to that place, it will fall. So people anticipate to take trades from that particular zone. Okay, they trust that area because it has already shown sign of weakness. So I'm going to go to the chart now, so I would explain properly so you understand. So this is Euro JPY on the 4 hours. Euro JPY started breaking structures to the downside. It started breaking structure here. There was a zone here. We broke it to the down. So I'm going to go to the 15 minutes time frame. So I'll show you guys how this breaker block thing works. Okay. This was the setup on 15 minutes time frame. We had this was when Euro JPY started coming down, started breaking structure to the downside on the 15 minutes time frame. So here you see there's a zone here, there's an order block here. Okay, if you look very well, this small red candle, then there's this push here, here from this zone. Market went up, so we're expecting market to come back down, and start going up again, but it didn't. Instead, market broke it down. Market broke it down. And then what the market do? When you want to trade breaker blocks, you need to spot your inducement. Market came up again here. You'll be thinking market wants to now start going down, but here it gave you inducement. It came down a little and went up again, and this is where this breaker block entry triggered. Okay, that was where it triggered. So we had our breaker block here. Price came back to the spot. So price came back to that candle that could not hold the price upward. Like I said earlier, market breaks past the point, then comes back to that point, but it doesn't go back, it doesn't go up. Instead, it continues going down. So this is a perfect setup for a breaker block, and I hope you guys understand it. I'm just making this video because a lot of persons have been asking me this question. So you see, and most times when these breaker blocks occur in the market, they give like a very good risk to reward ratio. You see how EUJPY dropped massively all the way from this breaker block. We had it down here. It's the same case for buys. Okay, if it's for buys, you will see the markets would want to come down. Wants to come down, but the other block would not hold. Then it goes up. So you just wait for market to come back to that other block that could not hold the price, just like this other block here that could not hold this price. This other block here, this other block could not hold this price to continue this up movement. Instead, price broke it down, gave us our inducement, trapped traders to think it wants to start selling from here, came down a little but went back up. So a lot of persons that sold from here, price would have taken them out before it now started selling. So when you're trading a breaker block, make sure you have your inducement, and make sure the candles, yeah, the candles that are breaking the zone has to be huge candles. Like, look at these three candles that broke this zone. See the three candles. This first candle, okay, see the candles, this first candle, second candle, third candle. They are huge red candles that broke the zone. So make sure the candles that are breaking the zone are huge candles that are breaking the zone, so that breaker block can actually hold. So I hope you guys understand this. Please like and share so other people would learn also. Okay guys, bye.